Hey everyone, Timotheus here, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of affiliate marketing, specifically a program called the Affiliate Lab. Now hold on before you whip out your credit card. We're going to crack open the Affiliate Lab. Let's see what's inside and ultimately explore a potentially better option that might be a perfect fit for your affiliate marketing journey. So buckle up, affiliate marketing enthusiasts, because this video is going to be a treasure trove of insights. The Affiliate Lab is an affiliate marketing training course created by Matt Diggity, a successful affiliate marketer himself. The core idea here is building niche websites specifically designed to rank high in search engines and generate affiliate income. The program seems to be delivered in modules with videos, downloadable resources, and potentially some community access. So, what exactly can you expect to learn inside? Well, there's the step-by-step website blueprint, which is where the affiliate lab takes you by the hand, guiding you through the entire process of building affiliate websites from scratch. Then there's the niche selection and keyword research. Finding the right niche is crucial, and the affiliate lab equips you with the tools to identify profitable ones with low competition. And there's content creation strategies. You'll learn how to craft high quality, engaging content that attracts your audience and promotes your affiliate products seamlessly. Then they give you affiliate marketing tactics. It's not just about building a website, you need to know how to monetize it. The Affiliate Lab dives into strategies for choosing high converting products and tracking your results. Now let's weigh the good, the bad, and maybe not so good. And here are the pros. There's in-depth and comprehensive curriculum. What this means is the Affiliate Lab appears to offer a thorough and detailed program covering covering various aspects of affiliate marketing. There are proven strategies for a successful affiliate marketer. You can learn from someone who walked the walk, and that's valuable. And Matt Dickerty's experience adds credibility. Then there's a structured approach for beginners. The structured format can be a huge advantage for newbies, providing a clear roadmap to follow. Then there's a high return potential. Done right, affiliate marketing can be incredibly lucrative. With successful website creation, the Affiliate Lab might equip you with the tools and skills to generate significant income. But here are the cons. There's high costs. The Affiliate Lab can be quite expensive, so weigh the costs carefully against the potential benefits. And then there's a time commitment. Building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time and effort. The Affiliate Lab likely requires a dedicated time investment. And another one of the cons is the technical SEO focus. While this is important, an overemphasis on technical SEO aspects might overwhelm complete beginners. So is the Affiliate Lab worth it? You see, the Affiliate Lab has valuable content and proven strategies, but the high cost and time committed might not be ideal for everyone. Now here's where things get exciting. There's a potentially better alternative out there, especially for those starting with affiliate marketing. It's called Wealthy Affiliate. I wrote more about it in my blog post. Head over to the full blog post linked in the description below. There you'll discover the secret weapon and explore why it might be a perfect fit for launching your affiliate marketing journey. In the meantime, leave a comment below and let me know. Have you considered affiliate marketing? What are the biggest concerns about getting started? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content on affiliate marketing and building your online business empire. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.